Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo kloy ki kubor na ke jela.
Ke Seng Congress minta ke sngi ke khadwai tarik Rymphang, kalau Pyllait Paidbah ke mat Treikam bakani ke Seng, kalau kular ban pyndep Ynda Wan hakabor, hadien gini ke election hajar pulai. Kini ki mat Treikam ki kynthup ya ke jingai jingsumar ya baroh ki nongshong shnong, ke pule puthi ke donkam siew ya ki khynnah kynthei, ke jingai rap ya ki nong rap, ke jingai kam ya iwei na man kalong yang, ke jingai ya ke gas cylinder sisin lai benai, shaman kilong yang beduna ke jingyo ke jingkot bat kiwe. Ya kata ke manifesto la Pyllait Paidbah do General Secretary ke Aicc Jairam Ramesh, haka jingadan lang Manish Chatrath ubadai pet ya ke Meghalaya, Bah Vincent Pala, ubolong President ke MPCC, Dr.Celestine Lyngdoh ubolong Chairman ke Manifesto Committee bat kiwe ki nong yalam jong kani ke Seng.
Bah Vincent Pala, all the dignitaries on the dais, friends from the media, and all who are associated with this program. We are sitting here because of the culmination of 6 to 7 months of hard work. When we prepare for the election, we have advised all our grassroots workers to go and meet the people, feel the pulse of their needs, especially in the villages and in rural areas. The need of the people are different from different areas. Urban areas needs are different, rural areas the needs are different. So both urban and rural areas, our workers have interacted with the people. People below the poverty line, our workers have interacted with college students. Our workers have also interacted with workers who work in different fields. Our workers have also met friends from the media. Our workers have also interacted with people who are domestic workers, so on and so forth. So all the inputs that we get.
It was the commitment, the dedication, and the love of India's Prime Minister then, Srimati Indira Gandhi, that led to the emergence, the formation of the full-fledged state of Meghalaya as a state in the Indian Union. Meghalaya means the abode of the clouds. But today, these clouds have taken on a different meaning. Today, the clouds are of not rain-bearing clouds, but these clouds are of corruption, these clouds are of unemployment, power cuts, these clouds are of a damage to the independent identity of the people of Meghalaya. And finally, these are the clouds of political puppetry, which I will explain to you a little later. In the last 5 years, we have had a government of the MDA, by the MDA, for the MDA. This is the Money Development Alliance. The alliance partners have taken a temporary divorce for the purpose of elections and are claiming to be fighting as independent parties. But let nobody be fooled. The NPP, the UDP and the BJP are all part and parcel of the same package. So the first fight that the Congress is fighting in this election is a fight against corruption. The extraordinary coal scam, the continuation of the inhuman practice of riot mining. I was the environment minister And in many ways, I don't like to boast about what I did, but I am father of the NGT. I was the minister who piloted the NGT bill in Parliament and established the National Green Tribunal in April 2010. And it's extraordinary how the orders of the National Green Tribunal have been flouted in pursuit of private gains, private profits, in a most inhuman and degrading manner. Even COVID has not been spared. We have had huge corruption in this state as the COVID pandemic raged. So this election is for ridding Meghalaya of the virus of corruption. Second, I mentioned to you unemployment, power cuts, the extraordinary spread of the use of drugs amongst the youth of the state. Meghalaya is a state blessed with extraordinarily rich natural and human resources. But in the absence of productive jobs, in the absence of infrastructure, particularly power, youth will not be able to find avenues for fulfilling their full potential. So, the second point is that these are elections to fight against the unemployment that we see, the power cuts that have become part of daily life, and the growth of a drug culture. Thirdly, when Indira Gandhi moved the bill in Parliament to establish the independent state of Meghalaya, Meghalaya was given Schedule 6 status in the Indian Constitution. And for 50 years, almost 45 years, the Congress moved heaven and earth to respect the letter and spirit of Schedule 6 of the Constitution. Knowing the special needs of the people of Meghalaya, the tribal nature of Meghalaya, the religious and ethnic diversity of Meghalaya. But that is under threat today. The identity of Meghalaya, the ethnic identity, the religious identity, the social identity, the linguistic identity is all under threat because in the name of unity, the BJP and its allies propagate uniformity.
Meghalaya kajulit magkapot Kontes ka kular Bandong tubo Dinghanon Kintong ni hasot Samlang pule Gisyak jingai Habang kilala Pyndep Kijinisa Kikamen Hoping kilaga Kontes Chatrath na Meghalaya Hi, 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 hi. Meghalaya.